to show you how to play Lonesome Town by Ricky Nelson. He sang it back in the early 60s on the Ozzie and Harriet show, and he also recorded it. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. We'll start with this with the introduction because it sets up some of the chord progression for the piece. This song is in the key of B. He sings in the key of B, and we start on a B. B, D sharp, E, F sharp, B, D sharp, E, F sharp. There's your chord progression for the introduction. And in the right hand you go. So the B chord is B, D, F sharp, D, E, B, D sharp, F sharp. White, black, black. And we'll play. We'll just arpeggiate that chord. B, and then the D sharp and the F sharp. You can hold the B's together, B's through it if you want. If you want to hold it, or if you want to let it off. Now your D sharp is we're actually playing that like a D sharp 7, a D sharp minor 7, because you've got the D sharp minor is D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. And in the right hand, I'm going to play an A sharp, and a C sharp, and an F sharp. So it's going to be like a D sharp. That'll be the sound we'll get. So we've got, just by moving it from here to there, all black, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, we've got that D sharp covered. Then we're going to an E, and we'll walk. See, we're walking this down. B, A sharp, G sharp. Now your E chord is E, G sharp, B, and we're going to play the G sharp, B, and E. So we got. So we'll have B, D sharp, E, F sharp. So the bass, once you go down to the D sharp, you're moving contrary motion to your right hand. Your right hand is going down. And your F sharp chord is all black. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So you got two chords in there that are all black keys. The D sharp chord is going to be all black keys. So D sharp, all black keys. So we've got B, D sharp, all black, E, G sharp, B and E, F sharp, all black. And you hit each chord twice. And then we play the whole sequence twice. And then we're into the melody. Now that gets you the chords because we're going to go B, D sharp, F sharp, B. So we're going to have a B the second time through right there. We'll hit an extra little B in the bass. So once we start the melody, we're going to have this in the melody up in this hand. F sharp, G, D sharp, D sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp. Drop down to the B, 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 C sharp, B, D sharp, B, B. The rhythm will be. Then B, D sharp, C sharp, B, A sharp, B. Then we're going to put an F chord, F sharp major chord right there. And then we're into the second verse. The second verse will be just the same type of a sound. Now put the left hand together and we'll go. Go down to the D sharp. So actually a D sharp major chord there. See, because the G, your D sharp chord is D sharp, G, A sharp. Or it'd be like an E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat. So that G is in the center. Now we're going to the E chord. Fill with that B chord, down to an E. we're going to an E minor with that C sharp thrown in there on top of it. But what I'm going to do in the bass, I'm going to go E to a G. That'll give the minor sound. So when we get to the end of the first verse, B, F sharp, and then hit the F sharp chord in the right hand. The second time, we're going to hold that G a little bit longer. A dream. Or two. So you got to hold that dream, make it dream, and then resolve it. Hold that G sharp too. G sharp, and then the next two notes are quick. F sharp, E, D sharp. They come in with a bass descant voice that'll sound full of tears, and F sharp. They just imitate him. Full of tears, full of tears. It'll come in right there. Then we go into the bridge. So you're going from this B, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, and then you got to come all the way up to E, G sharp, B. You're going to play to an E chord there, but you're going to break it up with the E, then the G sharp and the B. So the bridge, the melody will go up here too. So your bass, your left hand is going to be E, D sharp minor, back to E, F sharp, and we'll just play a single note. That's all we got to do to establish that harmony right there. E, F sharp, B, and see that right hand is going to suspend the G sharp over that F sharp, and then resolve it. Same thing they did earlier right there when we went to the G sharp. Resolves to that F sharp. Here we're just going to hold it, and then the F sharp is part of the B chord. Then we go to and do that same line again. So I'm going to come up to this E. So I'm going to E, walk down to the D sharp minor, to the C sharp here, and see this is a C sharp major again because you got C sharp, F, G sharp, black, white, black. And that you're going to go pretty fast because you got to come back with that G sharp. Then I'm going to walk the bass down to the B. F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp. And then we're into the third verse right there. So you come out of that bridge chorus, you go into the third verse, and it'll be just like the earlier ones. F sharp again, descant voices, backup voices, and then we do a tag. Just repeat that last line, and we'll do a little bit differently melodically with it. We'll go up to an E here, E, D sharp, then a crushed C sharp to D sharp. Then we end it B, D sharp, and crush the D sharp into the C sharp. And then when we hit that B, we're going to go to an E chord, back to the B chord, and then the backup vocals come in with Lonesome Town. You've got an F sharp, and I'm going to play an F sharp, B, D sharp. And I think they sing a D sharp, F sharp, B But it sounds better with the keyboard playing it to just keep that D sharp there and then play. I don't think anybody's actually singing that D sharp, but it sounds better on the keyboard, a little bit brighter. So that tag will sound like this. Very light on those backup singers. There you have it, Lonesome Town from Ricky Nelson. He sang it on TV back in the 60s. Hope you enjoy playing it.